Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening GarageBand and creating a software instrument track set to a grand piano patch. This gets you into the right signal path fast. Once done, connect your MIDI or USB keyboard or press Command-K to enable musical typing if you lack hardware. Make sure GarageBand input is set to the keyboard in Preferences Audio/MIDI so notes register. This prevents latency surprises and makes subsequent recording and editing behave predictably. Now you record, arm the track, enable count-in and metronome to lock timing and hit record. After a take, switch to the piano roll to drag notes, trim lengths, and correct velocities. That's how you polish performances. Once edited, duplicate the piano track to layer different tones, adjust EQ and reverb on each one, and if needed, transpose a layer and octave to thicken the sound. These steps let you sculpt a natural, full piano arrangement. To finish, balance volumes and panning between layers, then add compressor and EQ to control dynamics and presence. Insert Space Designer or Studio Reverb sparingly to place the piano in a room. Once satisfied, choose Share Export Song to Disk and pick WAV or MP3 and desired bit depth. If you encounter no sound or latency, first check audio/MIDI settings and sample rate, receipt cables, and restart GarageBand.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.